My brothers and sisters, there is a famous story found in the books of Seerah of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam with regards to the virtues of Darood Sharif. After the announcement of prophethood, the foster father of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, meaning the husband of Sayyidah Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, came to Makkah al-Mukarramah. Upon his arrival, the kuffar, disbelievers, and the mushrikeen, the polytheists, surrounded him. And then they complained to him that your son, i.e. Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, claims that there is only one God, Allah Almighty. And He has created Jannah, paradise, and He has created Jahannam, the fire of hell. He further says that those who do good deeds will enter paradise, and those who do bad deeds will enter the fire of hell. After this discussion, the husband of Sayyidah Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha comes to the court of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam and says, "O beloved, your community is enraged with you." The beloved of Allah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "What I say is true, and tomorrow on the day of judgment I will hold your hand and remind you of what I say." After a short while, the husband of Sayyidah Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, he accepts Islam, and then out of joy, out of excitement and proud feeling, while sitting amongst the blessed companions Ridwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'een, he would say that my son has said to me that on the day of judgment I will hold your hand. And I surely believe that if he holds my hand on the day of judgment, I will surely enter paradise. My brothers and sisters, this wish that on the day of judgment we as believing Muslims can give our hand into the hands of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, it is such a wish which lives within the hearts of all the Muslims. And for this wish to become reality, Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has given a solution. The Savior of mankind, our Master Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said that those who recite Darood upon me 50 times daily, those who recite Darood upon me 50 times daily, then on the day of judgment I will find that person, and upon finding him I will shake my hands with him. Allahu Akbar. Such a blessing that Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam will find that person who has been reciting upon him Darood 50 times daily, and he will shake his hands. Then is it not the case that if he will shake our hand on the day of judgment, that we can surely enter paradise as well? It is not a difficult task to recite Darood upon Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and it's not a huge amount, just 50 times. It will take a maximum of half an hour, not even that. And don't forget that Darood Sharif is also a source of intercession on the day of judgment for all those who will recite it out of love and affection upon Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. I pray Allah Almighty gives us all the ability to recite durood upon Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam in abundance, and make it a source of intercession for all of us believing Muslims on the Day of Judgment. Wa akhiru da'waya anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.